Hello and welcome to this video tutorial where we'll learn about using data insertion to control dynamic visibility. Here's a project showing sales data for a group of coffee shops, and we want to show the data for each shop individually. We're going to achieve this by having these buttons insert data into a spreadsheet cell and then have the dynamic visibility properties of the charts respond to that data. Now this functionality has been added to all of the buttons and charts except for the Shop For button and the Shop For chart. So I'll just finish off adding that functionality to those two components now. I'll select the Shop For button and expand the data insertion properties. Now I want to set my source data property. This is the data that will be copied into another area or cell of the spreadsheet. So I'll click the data binding icon and find a cell that contains data that I can use to show the Shop For's charts. And it's going to be this one here that contains Shop For. Now similarly, when I did this for the Shop 1 button, the source was this cell containing Shop 1. For Shop 2, the source was this cell, and for Shop 3, it was this one. So now that I've selected the source data, I now need to set the destination property, and this will be the cell that the data will be copied into. That's going to be this orange cell here. So when the Shop For button is clicked, Shop For will be copied from the source cell into the destination cell. Next, I need to configure the dynamic visibility properties of the chart so that it will become visible when the Shop For button is clicked. In the chart's dynamic visibility properties, I'll bind the status property to the orange cell. In the value property, I'm going to type in Shop For. Now, if this was a Shop 1 chart, I would put Shop 1 in here instead, and then Shop 2 for a Shop 2 chart, and so on. If I select Debug Mode and then Button 4, we can see that the charts for Shop 4 are now visible. And just to demonstrate, the functionality also works for the other shops too. So that's a quick demonstration of using data insertion to control dynamic visibility. Now, there is another dynamic visibility tutorial video in this series, and that covers how we can use formulas to control dynamic visibility. So do take a look at that one if you'd like to learn more.